Well, as I'm sitting here, wondering what I'm going to do next, just hanging out, watching the traffic go by. Me and my dog. That's me. Stinky Met. And it is neat. It's about almost 6 o'clock right now, 6 p.m. And I'm not really sure what I'm going to do next. I'm surprised I've even been able to sit right here for as long as I have. Usually somebody has a problem with it and calls the police. Doesn't matter where I go. I could be anywhere. I could be sitting somewhere for not even 2 minutes, not even sitting, and somebody has a problem with it. Even though it's public property and I'm legally allowed to be there. This last couple of times I was sitting somewhere just to stay out of the rain. It had really good coverage, and they came up threatening me, and I guess they'd call the cops if they said they were gonna, but police never even showed up. So, what does that tell you? I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing anything illegal. So, from now on, I'm gonna just record everything. I got this little body cam right here and records audio and video. So, yeah. Soon I'll start editing videos and get some kind of tablet or something I could do that. Start producing better content because I made a step. I took a step that I've never taken before, and I think it's quite a big step in my selling on eBay journey. I bought an inkless thermal printer. One small enough I can carry around, but still can print 4x6 labels, which is great. That's great because then I don't have to worry about people stealing a non-tracked envelope full of cards that I don't want somebody to steal. That's been the biggest problem is if somebody can steal something from somebody with no consequence, they're going to. And unfortunately, it's always me. So I had to get the printer so I can do the eBay thing with the label and get the tracking number. But that's a big step. So, that's what I'm doing right now is just waiting. It's raining right now. I don't know if you can tell it's cloudy, but it literally is actively raining. It's not raining very hard, but it is raining. I'm sitting under this thing to stay dry. We're right next to Lowe's in front of Aaron's. What Aaron's is, right? The furniture store or rent-a-home store. What a scam this place is. We'll sell you a $600 couch for $1,500. All you have to do is make 45 payments. Good God, Aaron's. I don't know if you can see now, but it's definitely raining harder. I'll wait this rain out. If anybody shows up or calls the police or whatever, it's going to be recorded. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.